Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Friday. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. It all opened here. Well, we have cross stitch. Amazing, huh? All right, so we have 2 stamped kits, and these come from DIYChoose. Let me put my scissors away so I don't drop them on my foot. And let's see what's in the first bag. It is called Peacock 3. It is a 14 count. It is 41 by 40, and it was $9.39. There are, on the same page, there are three kits. They don't come all together, but you have 3 different choices. So check that out. I will put the links in the description below. Also, before I start, if DIYChoose has any specials going on for spring or whatever reason, I will put that right in here. And if I have a personal discount code, I will put that right here. The information will be in the description box below as well. All right, so it comes in the beautiful Joy Sunday bag. We're just going to move things around here because we got a few things going here. And that way you don't have to hear the crinkle every time I hit it. But let's get it out of its lovely Joy Sunday bag. All right, let me flip that over. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that peacock. And those flowers. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm not seeing maybe a little bit of back stitching, but other than that, you know, you can always improve on it however you want. But yeah, I just thought this was gorgeous. I love those pink flowers and the green going together, and the blue and the yellow orangish colors. Yeah, it was awesome. Let's put that up there. Now it has a nice booklet. Let's see what we got going. It is 182 by 179. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. Let's open it up here. No, there's no back stitch. It has 35 colors. The paper pattern will not match the canvas. The canvas has its own set of symbols. Let's see what colors we have, though. We have 310 black. No 823. No 939. We have 938. That's his second cousin or brother. Can't tell you. Let's see. I'm not seeing any other colors that I know so far. So I guess they're using that 938 as a darker color and the 310 black. So this is kind of a charcoal color where 310 black is black. And it does have B5200 for the whites. But yeah, I'm not seeing, looking on both sides, so I don't say it wrong, but there's no back stitching in this at all. None. But they have divided this up, so page 1 is here, page 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if you want to break it down and work it like that, you're more than welcome to. Or you can just go out of the box and start wherever you'd like. Because it really does not matter. It doesn't matter to me, but you know, some people want to start in the middles, and that's why. Do you see this red line? That red line intersects. Well, it's not going to intersect properly. I'm trying to get to the middle of it. So I guess, here we go. Hang on. Hold that. Do you see where they intersect? That would be the center of the entire picture right there. If you want to start in the middle. That's up to you. I I just don't find it necessary on stamped. Counted? Even on counted, I'm usually doing samplers. I don't do like full coverage pictures. So, yeah. What can I say? But if you were doing a full coverage counted piece, I would suggest you start in the middle because it makes the stitching evenly dispersed over the material, and that way it doesn't stretch in one direction or another. Let's take a look at these gorgeous colors. I can hardly wait. Oh my goodness. Does come with 2 needles. Comes on one of the nice cards. Red numbers, how many you have, DMC, and the number on the thread card. There are 2. I'm going to open that up. I can hardly wait to start this. It's gorgeous. Look at that turquoise. Oh, it's like a deep, dark turquoise. It's more of almost a cerulean blue. It is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But wait till you see these. Oh, yeah. Look at all the pinks, the green, a little bit of blue splashed in there. Oops, stuck all over here. Kind of an orangish gold, a tan brown, dark blues, a little bit darker green. Here's your 310 black, period. 1 strand. Okay, it's a half a strand. That's what it says right there. But yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. That's that peacock blue, because we're going to do a peacock, right? That's what I always call it. It's peacock blue. It's just a little bit darker than cerulean blue. Let's take a look at that canvas. All right, so it kind of goes up and down. Oh my goodness. It will be gorgeous. Oh no, it doesn't. It goes this way. I'm sorry, I lied. But it is almost squared. We're going to measure it. It is serged all the way around. Before I forget to say that, and probably said it twice now. All right, so it's about 16¼ inches or 41 centimeters by, so it's not too big, 40 centimeters or 15¾ actual picture size is, maybe if I can get it there, is a little over 12½ inches or 32 centimeters. I was working against myself, the light. All right, let's see here. 33 centimeters or 13 inches. So it's not too big. It is a partial. You do not do the full background. So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. This is going to be lovely. I don't know whether I want to start on the peacock first or the flowers. I hate it when I can't make up my mind. Does have how big it is. Does have both those numbers that was on the front page and the name of it. Peacock 3. Nice, big, huge key. Runs all the way here and all the way up there. So with 35 colors, that is awesome. This is very nicely printed. I'm going to try to hold it as still as possible. But very easy to see symbols. So yeah, I got nothing. I don't know where I'll start. But I have plenty of outlining thread. You know, I try to go with a little bit darker than the pink that's here. You know, if I was going to start outlining these, I think they're kind of lilies of some kind. They're gorgeous. Love it. Absolutely love it. All right, let's get on to the next one. This one is a 40 by 60. It was $11.79. Be right back. All right, I am back. Look at this guy. Is he not awesome? Turquoises, blues, greens, oranges, yellows, purples. Oh man, I just had to have him. Yeah, like I said, I have no clue which one I'm going to start first. Yeah, it's a love affair all the way around. So, product number is here, 5860. The paper pattern on this one will match the canvas. Does have the same Joy Sunday instructions right here. Printed nice and big on how to start, how to finish. This is a huge piece of paper. Hang on. Trying to get it where it needs to be. Okay, it is printed correctly. Look how big and huge that is. Oh my goodness. My goodness, my goodness. And it's going to have some confetti, not going to lie. But at least it's here, a little over and down along here. It's not too bad. The worst part of it's going to be in here where all that detail on that owl is going to be. It has 41 colors. It says 39 by 59 centimeters. It's 147 by 233. Very nicely done. I don't see any smudges or smears. Very easy to see symbols. I'll hold it as still as possible. But yeah, just gorgeous. Let's take a look at what colors we have. We have no 310 black. We have 550 purple. No 823. We have 820, which is another form of like a navy bluish. We have 939, which is that yellow that you're seeing. So that's what they're going to be using for that. We have 3865 for the white. Oh, and we have my favorite turquoise, 996. I will show you when we get there. But it might be kind of hard to pick it out because there is a lot of turquoise in this. Turquoise and blues. Okay, I know. Drooling over the pattern, but the pattern is very nicely printed. No smudges, no smears. Awesome job, guys. Yep. Let me just fold this like that and put that up there. It does come with a toolkit. We have the leopard, or if that's what that is. 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Very nice. And let's take a look at the threads. I wanted you to see something first. So let me turn this over. So when you get one of these kits, look here. This number matches this number, and then this number and this number match this right here, 3860. So make sure they all match, and it does. This one does happen to say it's a 40 by 60, but make sure, and of course I will check the threads, and we'll get through them. Hang on, get that out of there. Let's take a look at these gorgeous, awesome colors. Oh, I can't wait. I'm shaking them out. Oh, sure. And then they all roll together. Oh, my goodness. Are you ready? Purple, oranges, reddish orange, yellows. You even have some dark brown. I don't think it was 3371. I don't think it's dark enough. Let me flip this over. Look at the blues and the turquoise. Ugh. To die for. Drooling here. Ooh, look at that with that beautiful olive green. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Oh, yeah. Yep. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just absolutely beautiful. When I do it this way, it kind of covers up all that turquoise. But let's see if we go the other way. Things will happen different. I'm trying to get them to separate. But just absolutely beautiful. Look at that color. Isn't that just yummy? Oh my goodness. Oh, to die for. There, you can kind of get the feeling of the other colors. There's a wad of threads there, kids. Yep. But I just undo this and check them off as I go. And that way, I know that they're all there. We won't take up your time doing that today. But when I start it on camera, as you can tell, this is going to be the winner for the day. I will have gone through those threads and know whether or not they're all there or not. I need a drink, sorry. So sorry. Dying of thirst. All right. Let's take a look at that canvas. Very smooth canvas. Nicely printed, serged all the way around. Let me turn it over. get it towards the light so you can see how well it is done. No smudges, no smears. They're doing an awesome job. Nice big key. The threads do not graze the numbers, so you can clearly see those numbers you're going to need to see on the little thread tags, or whatever the heck they are. Very nicely done. I have no idea where to start this. But I guess maybe up in here, maybe on the owl. The owl's the big center of attention, so maybe. There's some bigger areas up in here, you know, to stitch, that are going to blend together for that background. So most of your hard work is going to be everything else, you know. But it's not, it's confettied, but yeah, I don't know. I got nothing. We'll see. I'm still trying to figure out where to start. I'm down the road. Let's start this. Yep, let's just do this. Sorry. I'll focus. Oh my goodness. All right. It is 60 centimeters right on the nose, or a little over 23.5 inches by 16 inches or 40 centimeters. The actual picture size is 13.5 inches or a little over 34 centimeters. That way by, where am I at? A tad over 21 inches or 53.5 centimeters. So it's a nice lap size. It's not too big. It's not overbearing. You know, you can work on certain sections at a time. It's going to be beautiful. Just, those blues, they get me every time. And this material is so smooth. It's not rough at all. It might be a little thick, but it's not, it's just wonderful. I'm glad they moved to these. You know, I'll get a kit every once in a while that was in the way last batch or something, and they're all rough, and it's like, ooh, I can't work with this, you know, because I've done this for so long. But yeah, I really am loving that brand new Ada. It's smooth on both sides. It's not abrasive to the hands. It's awesome. Oh my goodness. Video at 1. Yeah. With the owl. I'm calling it now. Yeah. Calling it now because I can't resist those blues. Now, DIYChoose has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have custom. They have a separate Joy Sunday section. And I believe that they have started to separately section out, like Spring, Mona Lisa, the two new Chinese companies, who else? DIY, so that, you know, you can go to specific categories if you like one, we'll call them designer, over the other. Yeah. Do check them out. Like I said, if there's any specials or discount codes, they'll be in the beginning of the video and in the description below. Thank you, DIYChoose, for these two gorgeous kits that I can't figure out which really one to do first. But for this stitch along, I think we're going to do the owl. Yeah, it's a winner for today. I will start the other one. Promise. I promise. Yeah. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.